buying solar panels on Amazon is not always a good thing. I had some gas lift shocks from a previous project, and I'm not even sure what they are. They had some pressure to them, but I could compress them pretty easily, so I decided to, if I was going to take the time to put them in, I decided to buy some 100-pounders, and they are a lot stronger. Anyway, I'm looking forward to installing them and trying them out. It turns out I need to make a custom bracket for the gas lift. They're 100 pounders, so they're bending the existing brackets, and I can't bolt them directly to the frame. So I'm going to make a bracket. I found a 3-inch by 8-inch piece of 1/8-inch steel. It's going to be perfect for the job, and I'm going to cut it out. So hopefully, if I did this right, I'm going to be able to bolt this to the frame, and then I am going to be able to bolt it to the... Fits good, but it looks like it's a little bit bigger than I would like. Not a lot bigger. I think it'll work. Give it a try. Is that going to work? No, it's not going to work. No, it's not going to work either. Because that's going to hit when I put the bolt through. Of course it's going to hit. The only way it would work is if I drilled... I am not totally confident in the work that I did on installing the brackets or the gas lifts for the back door. I don't believe that it's going to have the strength when I put the door handles, the door latches, which are these guys here. So that'll add some weight. The lights will add some weight, and if it snows or if it rains or if the wind blows, I don't want the door slamming down or slamming up. I want the gas lifts to be more rigid. So what I'm going to do is fabricate something a little bit more aggressive. So remember, the first try was back here in these two holes, and that wasn't strong enough. I moved it up to these two holes here. And now I'm actually going to be fabricating a bracket right inside of here that I'll actually go ahead and make, and then I'll weld in and make it a permanent solution that's a little bit more aggressive. Okay, the moment of truth. I've installed the second gas lift. I'm about to take the tension off of it. The goal is to have it lift itself off of this wood right there. Fingers are crossed. If this does not work and I do not have enough tension on the gas lift, then my next step is to fabricate a small block to put in here and install it there. So I'm hoping not to have to do that. I don't want to drill any more holes and do any more welding because I'm tired of it. Shit. But that is what I might have to do. We'll find out. Well, it looks like it is a success. I still haven't installed the locks on the bottom corners, which is the next project, but it looks like it is a success. One thing I will say, these gloves, if you go back to video number 1, you'd see they were brand new, and now I'm on my second 10-pound roll of Lincoln 035 flux core, and the gloves are well worn in. I've got a few burn holes in them now, so I'd say I'm making progress. The welding is done for the gas lift brackets. Third try. That's what it looks like. I'm now going to use my shiny new flapper disc to polish those up, and then I should be able to mount the gas lifts to it, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. And this project is basically done. Can't get that on there. I like it. I'm going to call that a success.